Hello and welcome to Trinity Stamps. Today we're taking a close-up look at a new product from the Sparkle Season holiday release. It's the large ornament shaker die set. This die set has 6 pieces in it and it will create a frame of an ornament so that you can create shaker cards. And I'm going to show you 2 different ways to do that today. So here we have a detailed ornament topper that you can stick right on the top. There are 3 different pine bows so you can have it look like it's hanging from a branch of a Christmas tree, and a cute little bow to top it all off. So I'm going to take this die and die cut it from a background I have here, and you'll see when you die cut this, it's going to give you the frame. So now I have an opening that's the shape of an ornament. I've got my frame, and I have a circle. So we're going to use both the frame and the opening to create a shaker. So for the opening, I'm going to take a window sheet and adhere it to the back of that panel, just like that. And then I'm going to die cut a second ornament from red foil paper and inlay that just to give it more detail. And this will really highlight that ornament. And I turned that into a shaker with foam tape on the back and filled it with some fun shaker bits. So we can also create a shaker using just the ornament frame. So let's bring that back in, and we're going to adhere a die cut circle piece of window sheet. You can use a circle die from your stash to cover this, and then going around the frame you want to add some foam tape. Now there is foam tape like this available in the Trinity Stamps shop, so be sure to check that out because it is the perfect width for this ornament frame. Once we have that in place, we need to add this to our card. And I do want shaker bits in it, so I'm adding some confetti pieces right to this background. And then I can take that ornament with the window on it and adhere that right on to my card base. And then I have a shaker made using that frame. And here it is, all finished out and decorated up for a card. So there is the large ornament shaker die set for you, shown 2 different ways. I thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you got some inspiration from this video, and I will see you again very soon on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!